Hello, guys. I hope everyone is okay. I pray God's richest blessings on all of you. Welcome, 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 one and all. Today, I'm going to be making coconut buns, coconut drops, whatever you call it in your neck of the woods. I'm going to be making that today, so stay tuned. As you should know by now, I keep it simple in my kitchen. I'm going to sift all my dry ingredients to get rid of any lumps. I have some flour there, some baking powder. I'm going in with some nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, and a pinch of clove. Then I'm going to sift, sift, sift. To that, I'm going to add some granulated sugar. I'm going to blend that in. And I'm going to add some mixed fruits to this. You can add whatever mixed fruits you like, basically. I'm going to use some cherries, some cranberries, mixed peel, a bit of tutti frutti, and just blend that in. In a bowl here, I'm cracking an egg. I'm going to add some vanilla extract and some almond extract. I'm going to whisk this together. This would help get rid of that rawness from the egg. Now to the dry ingredients, I'm going to add that egg mixture and I'm going to fold gently. Then I'm going to add my milk. I could have just added the milk to the egg mixture, but whatever. They're still going in there. Fold gently. You don't want to overwork the dough. Perfecto. Now, make sure your oven is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit at least 10 minutes ahead of time. I have my baking tray. To that, I added parchment paper. I greased it, then I sprinkled some flour on there to prevent sticking, for it to be easily removed. Now, I'm going to spoon on my dough mixture on there, and you want to give them space in between. Now this is looking lovely. I went ahead and put some green cherries on top just for them to look good. And yes, I lost the footage, guys, but here is the finished product. You have to try this recipe. Let me tell you, these are delicious. Thank you for watching. Give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.